Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to study mathematics, and the topic that we will discuss will be measuring lengths. Okay, so here we're going to learn what are the things that we need in measuring the length or the width of an object. Okay, so let's go and start our lesson for today. Okay, length is used for horizontal measurement. If you remember, in your grade 1, we already studied the length and the height, right? The length is horizontal, it's like this, and the height is like this. The height is vertical, like this. This is height. Height is used for vertical measurement. Okay, do you still remember when you were grade 1? We studied this part already. So this time is like a review of your lesson. Okay, so let's go. Distance is used to measure between 2 points. Okay, this is distance. That means how far an object is from another. Okay, that is distance. Okay, remember those three things. The length is like this, the height is like this, and the distance is the measurement of how far an object is from another. Okay, length, height. Remember those two things. Okay, so let's go. Okay, these are the length measuring tools. The length measuring tools are the things that we use in measuring the length, width, and height of an object. Okay, they are called measuring tools. The first measuring tool is the most familiar with us, the ruler. Okay, do you have a ruler? Okay, Nampeng has a ruler. Who else has a ruler?
I have two rulers.
You have two rulers. Good job. Okay, this is the most used tools for the kids. Very good, smile. We usually use it in the class, in our mathematics subject. Okay, good job, Pupa. I saw your ruler. Okay, so we call it a ruler. Okay, ruler. Remember, okay, ruler is a small measuring tool like this. The next measuring tool is a meter rule. It's like a ruler, but it is longer. The reason why it is called meter rule because it is 1 meter long. 1 meter long. Okay, we call it a meter rule. Okay, we have the ruler and the meter rule. Next, we have the measuring tape. Measuring tape is usually used for soft and curved objects like the waist. Very good. Smile has a measuring tape. We can also use it for measuring our hair. Okay, we call it a measuring tape. Next is a tape measure. This one is a long measuring tool. We can use it in measuring. Wow, Smile has the complete measuring tools in her house. Okay, the tape measure can be used in measuring the entire house, in measuring the floor, the ceiling, the walls, the door of our house. Okay, we call it the tape measure. Tape measure. Okay, next one. Okay, I'm going to explain it one by one. First are the rulers and meter rules. This is the ruler. Okay, ruler is only 12 inches or 30 centimeters long, while the meter rule is 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter and 30 centimeters. So that is their difference. Okay, rulers and meter rules are measuring tools with scales. Okay, the scales are the numbers here on the side. Okay, with
Fuck you.
what? Okay, so those are the rulers and the meter rules. Okay, they can be used to measure the length of small straight objects. For example, we can measure the notebook, the pen, the pencil cases, and even the chair. as long as it is not more than 1 meter. Okay? Okay, we can use it in measuring the notebook, the pencil, the even the sharpener, the erasers, the pencil cases, the chair. Okay? We can use rulers and meter rules and measuring those objects. Next, the next one is the measuring tape. Measuring tapes are length measuring tools with scales showing standard units of measurement. It's the same as the ruler and the meter rule. They also show the scales, the numbers here, and the little and the small lines. They can be used to measure the lengths of both straight and curvy objects. For example, the waist size, that is curvy, right? Our waist is curvy. It is not straight like the notebooks. Okay. The waist size, the desk height, because the desk has edges, right? So in measuring its height, we can also use the tape, the measuring tape rather. Hold on. Okay, again, the measuring tapes are used for measuring the length or the width or the size of the waist, the desk, okay? Those who are curved, those who have curved, those who are curved, okay? Okay, next one. We have the tape measures. Like what Smile showed us, that is a tape measure. Can you show us again, Smile? Okay. She has it all inside her house. Okay, we call it a tape measure. Tape measures are also used for measuring the length, but this is for the bigger objects. They can be used for the length of longer objects. For example, the size of a classroom, we can use the tape measure. Okay, we can use it for measuring the floor and the distance between the floor and the light. That means that from the floor to the ceiling, we can use it for measuring that. And also for the door, okay? Or for measuring the bathroom and the walls. Okay, we use the tape measure. Okay, those are the measuring tools that we use. Okay, now how do we measure the lengths in centimeters and meters? Okay, I have here an example of a ruler. For example, it's a ruler. Okay, we're going to count the lines to measure the centimeter. Okay, so here, for example, the bottle is, okay, we're going to find out how tall is the bottle. Okay, so we're going to count the lines to find out its height. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12. Yeah, it's 12. Okay, so this water bottle is 12 centimeters tall. Okay, this is the zero. Remember the very first line in the ruler with zero. Okay, that is the zero. Sometimes they don't have they don't have the zero written in this part, but the first line in the ruler is the zero. So we're going to begin in measuring in that part. Okay, we're going to align the tip of the object to that zero. Okay, and then we're going to see what number is in the next tip or the top part of the object, and that is the height of the object that we're measuring. Okay, so here, since it doesn't have any number at all, we're just going to count. Again, let's count. We have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the water bottle is 12 centimeters tall. Did you get it so far? Okay, let's try more examples. Okay, so this part, okay, this notebook, how long is it? Can you count how long is it?
10, teacher.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay, who can say the correct answer? It's not 10.
9.
9. Very good, Stan. Very good, Rasa. Very good, Namheng. Okay, it is 9. Okay, we're going to begin with 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is 9 centimeters long. Okay? Did you understand? We're going to begin with 0. Okay? Okay, that is 0. Yes?
Which page?
Page. Later, I'm going to tell you. Because I'm going to show some things that you have to answer.
Okay.
Okay, next. How long is the pencil?
8.
8. Very good, Asa. Very good, Boom, Gan, and everyone. Everyone who answered very good. Okay, we're going to begin with 0. This is 0. Okay, remember 0. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, don't worry because it will be easier when you have a real ruler. Because the rulers have numbers, right? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 30. So we're just going to see which number is on the tip or on the top of the object that we are measuring. Okay? So it's easy. Next, remember the abbreviation for centimeters is cm. The abbreviation, when you say abbreviation, that is how we write the word in fewer letters. Okay, that is how we shorten the word. So we shorten the word centimeters by using the letters C and M. cm. Okay? cm. Therefore, 12 centimeters is equal to 12 cm. 9 centimeters is equal to 9 cm. 8 centimeters is equal to 8 cm. Okay? But of course, I encourage you to write the whole word centimeter. Okay? So that you will be familiar with how to spell centimeters. Okay, that is centimeters, centimeters. Okay, so let's go. To measure an object's length, put the measuring tool on or next to the object. Okay, we're going to put the ruler, okay, next to the object. Okay, and make sure that one end of the object is at the 0. So we're going to begin with the 0 so that the tip of the object should be put to the 0. The other tip will be on the number of its measurement. Okay, as we can see here, we said read the last number on the measuring tool that is at the end of the object. Okay? Okay, we're going to read it, and that is how we measure the object. Okay, do you understand so far? Okay, I'm going to go back to the example here. This is the tip of the object. It is in the 0, and then the end of the object here, the end of the pencil is in this part. So we're going to read what number is in this part. Okay, so here the number is 8, so 8 centimeters long. Understand? Okay. So here, can you try it, kids? What is the measurement of the leaf? You can count it.
5.
5? Is it 5?
5. 5.
5.
Remember, you're going to begin with 0. You're going to count with 0. You're going to start counting with 0. 4, very good, Rasa. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 centimeters. Okay, the leaf is 4 centimeters long. The leaf is 4 centimeters long. Okay, next. Okay, can you measure this? Can you count the lines? How long is the pencil? 8. Very good, Rasa. This is 8 centimeters. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 centimeters long. The pencil is 8 centimeters long. Next, the toothbrush. Can you tell me how long is it?
11.
Very good. It is 11. 11 centimeters long. Good job. Very good. Very good. Okay, that is 11 centimeters. Why? Because we started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that's it. Next, the toothbrush is 11 centimeters long. Next, what about the crayon?
5. 5. 5.
Okay, very good. The answer here is 5. The crayon is 5 centimeters long. Very good, grade 2. You're picking up easily. Next, last one, the screwdriver. How long is the screwdriver?
7.
Very good, Smile. Very fast. That is 7 centimeters. Good job, good job. Okay, that is 7 centimeters long. The screwdriver is 7 centimeters long. Okay, now I want you to open your book to page 78. Here you're going to decide which measuring tool should we use in measuring the following objects. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin with number 1. Uncut clothes. What do we use in measuring uncut clothes? Is it A, ruler, B, meter rule, or C, measuring tape? A, ruler, B, meter rule, or C, measuring tape?
Meeting ruler. Ruler.
You're going to write it on your book.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, finish. Very good. The answer here is letter B, meter rule. But also we can use measuring tape. So B and C are correct. Meter rule and measuring tape are both correct. Okay? Number 2. Finish number 1?
Finish. No.
Oh. Okay, take your time.
No.
Remember, you're not gonna write the A, B, or C, okay? You're going to write the word. Very good, Po. Very good, Peach.
Finish.
Very good, Smile.
Finish.
Very good.
C ใช่ไหม teacher?
Huh?
C ใช่ไหม teacher?
อันนี้
B or C?
ผ้าใช้อะไร
C ใช่ไหม
Natural tape
Yes. B is correct. C is correct.
ถ้าที่ยังไม่
Finish.
Good job. Everybody's finished?
Teacher, finish.
Okay, I think so. So let's... Okay, good job. Next, number 2. Blackboard width. Blackboard width.
C.
A, B, or C?
C.
Okay, just write it first. Write it.
Finish.
Oh,
Okay, Poem says C. Okay, the correct answer here is... What's your answer? Poem says C.
C.
Measuring tape. Okay.
C.
The answer here is... Letter B or C. B or C is correct. Meter rule is correct. Measuring tape is correct. Huh?
หน้าไหน
Nanay. Page 78. Finished?
Finish, teacher.
Okay, let's wait for Baybun.
Finish. Teacher, call.
Let's wait for Baybun.
B ใช่ไหม teacher?
Yep, B or C. B is correct, C is correct.
B ใช่ไหม B.
Yep. Let's wait for Rasa. Pichayapa is finished already. Is it Pichayapa Jindadam? Yeah. Popha is finished. Peach is finished too.
Finish.
Rasa is finished. Okay, Baybun. Only Baybun. Let's wait for Baybun. Baybun finished? Okay, finished. Next. Number 3, waist size. Or waist. Is it A, ruler, B, meter rule, C, measuring tape? A,
B.
ruler, B, meter rule, C, measuring tape. Okay, Rasa says B. Oh, well, who else? What's your answer? A, B, or C?
C.
Okay, Smile says C, Stam says C, and the one with that high name with no camera says C. The correct answer here is C, measuring tape. That is measuring tape. We use measuring tape because the waist is not straight, it is curved. So we use measuring tape in measuring the waist size.
Finish, teacher.
Very good, good job, very fast.
Finish. Finish.
Very good,
Finish.
very good.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Okay, who are we waiting for? We're waiting for Rasa.
Finish.
Good job, Boom. Rasa finish.
Finish.
Okay, Baybon finish.
Teacher.
Alam, finish.
Gan finish.
Finish.
Natita finish. Okay, I think so. So let's go to the next number, number 4. Number 4. Pencil. What do we use in measuring pencil? A, ruler, B, meter rule, C, measuring tape. Okay, the answer here, the answer here is letter A, ruler.
Finish. Finish.
Oh, very fast. Good,
Finish.
good job, good job.
Finish. Finish.
Good job, good job.
Finish.
Okay, let's wait for.
Teacher, finish.
Okay, very good. Next, number 5, floor to light. That is the floor to the ceiling. Floor to the ceiling, floor to light.
Finish.
Wow, very fast, Padget. Is it A, B, or C?
C.
Very good. C,
C.
measuring tape. Okay, since our choices are only ruler, meter rule, and measuring tape, we can write measuring tape. But in this example, we can actually use the tape measure. Tape measure is the best tool in measuring from floor to the lights, or from floor to the ceiling. Very good. Pichayapa is
Finish, teacher.
very good.
Finish.
Pichayapa jindadam and hanat mo jindar. Finished.
Finish.
Okay, very good.
Finish.
Very good.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish. Finish.
Good job. Everybody finished? Poem finished?
Finish. Finish.
Good job. Poem finished?
Finish.
Okay. Anfa finished?
Finish.
Gan finished?
Finish.
Okay, so let's go to number 6. Blackboard height. Blackboard height. Is it A, ruler, B, meter rule, C, measuring tape?
C.
Okay, Rasa says C. Who else? Who else got the answer? Who else got the answer?
Teacher. C. Finish. C.
Okay, good job.
Finish.
Hadya, what's your answer?
Teacher, C. Measuring tape.
Okay, some of you says C. Okay, the answer here is B is correct, C is correct. B or C. Very good, kids. B is correct, C is correct. Good job. Let's wait for
Teacher. Finish.
yes. Good job, Rasa.
Finish.
Very good, Boom.
Finish. Finish.
Very good smile, very good hoop, huh?
Finish.
Very good, Anfa. Okay, everybody's finished. So let's go to number 7. Let's go. Table width. Table width. A, ruler, B, meter rule, C, measuring tape.
Finish.
A, B, or C?
B. Finish. B. B. I finished.
Okay, the correct answer is
Finish.
B or C. B is correct, C is correct.
Finish.
Very good.
Finish.
Very good. Let's wait for. Dun, 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 dun. Let's wait for. Okay, rasa is finished. Gan finished? Poem finished? Okay, poem. Let's wait for poem.
Finish.
Okay, good job. Patin finished? Okay, very good. Finished. Next. Number 8, hair length. Hair length. Hair. A, B, or C for the hair. Ta-da! For the woman's hair, for the girl's hair. Okay, Pajo says C.
C.
Smile says C.
B.
Pajo says B. The correct answer is letter
B.
B. Letter C. Letter C. Measuring tape because our hair is how do we call it? Curve. It's like that. So it is measuring tape. Because measuring tape can be folded like this. Okay? Measuring tape.
Finish.
Very good. Last one and then we're finished.
Finish. Here's a finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Very good.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Good job. Okay, next. Last number. Is everybody finished? Next, number 9. Flagpole. Flagpole. Flagpole is where we C. The answer is C. Measuring tape. Very good, everybody. Very good. Good job.
Finish.
Good job.
Finish.
Okay, is everybody finished?
Yes.
Okay, I think I have to close the presentation now. Are you sure everybody's finished?
Yes.
Okay. So that's it for today. Today we learned how to measure objects and what are the tools that we use in measuring them. Okay. So that's it. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance today. And also, I hope that you enjoyed this class. So you can say goodbye to your friends. Bye, everybody.
Teacher, bye-bye.
Bye. You're welcome. Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.